Couldn't find Benson anywhere, but here he is in his favourite spot in the puppy room, guarding the puppies. I'm sure he thinks they're his puppies. So they've got a little hatch there that can go in and out. That's not a puppy, that's a little toy horse, but it looks like a puppy. That's a puppy. This is a puppy. And there is Benson guarding the crew. Believes that he's got to guard them all. So we keep finding him in here, in the puppy room, laying down, checking on them all. Very cute, very cute. What's she doing? What's she doing? 9 puppies. You've only got a week with mine. Or less than a week now. Oh. Benson, are they your babies? Good afternoon and welcome to Gillykube, Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with another pour, using up a few paints here, but I'm just going to go with it and see what I get out of it. Going to kind of do the Aussie kiss Dutch pour thing. Let's see what we get out of this particular canvas in some real loud colours. Loud. Let's just do it, I say. I am going to sort of pour all of this in this brilliant red. I've just watered down my Mont Studio acrylics. The pouring medium recipe is in the bottom drop down box, but I've just added a lot more water to this paint to make it be able to blow with a hairdryer. So sort of exploring this technique a bit more and trying to put my own spin on it, as you do, because we're all there to teach you the basics, and then it's for you to, you know, take it to the next level, I believe, and do your sweet thing with it. Do whatever you choose, you know, put your own spin on it, share your secrets like we all do. If you get anything that's outstanding, let us know, and let's all be in it together. But yeah, it is nice to just put your own spin on things. That's what I'm trying to do with this Dutch pour, adding my Aussie kiss. Okay, I'm not too worried about the very edges, because I'll blow the paint over there when I get to that point. So kind of not going to do traditional type. I'm just going to go with it, what I feel at the time. So this is a very sort of watered down. I had white and I did have gold in it. It's kind of sent it like an orangey colour, but it's kind of like a beigey bone, I suppose. I'm going to put that all in there. Bit sad today because the very first puppy went to its new home today. I mean, lovely people, and I'm pretty sure that they're going to post pictures on my Facebook page so I can add them to my videos to show you guys how the puppies are doing. So I hope so. I hope the new owners do send me the photos that I can post to show you guys, because you've been around since they were born and seen them grow up on my videos. So it would be nice for you all to see them. But thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done so, hit the little subscribers button. It's absolutely free. Helps me, and yeah, thank you, I say. This is a bit loud one, isn't it? This is definitely a gillified colours here, so I'll keep going with it. I'm just going to get rid of, I've got a few odd buds. I've got a little bit of metallic bronze left from the Mont pouring, pre-made pouring paint, so I'm going to put that in there. So I'm basically throwing all sorts in here. So that's the Mont pouring paint, just a dabble left over. I have a dabble left over of the Mont pouring paints. Actually, this is very runny, so maybe not too good. Maybe not. That's the... I'm not sure if that's going to work, but we'll just try it. In for a penny, in for a pound. And then I've got a really, the orange from the Mont pouring paints. But again, these were mixed with water to make them really runny, to blow over previous pour. So I'm not intending probably having any negative space on this. I'm just going to blow all of this over the red. The red will come through for sure. Got this purple, I think it was the purple or the violet, I think, but it's very watered down. So don't know what I'm going to get, but I hope it's bright. I just want bright and uplifting. Well, look, if I've got a little bit, I might just put a little bit of white in there, but I don't want the white to actually, I don't want the white to water down the colours too much, but because this is going to be a blowout where I'll cover the canvas with the blowout. I'm just going to, no holes barred, I'm going to just do the lot. Just do the lot. So go from there. Okie doke. Big hairdryer, big blower. I've got a painting sitting here drying, so I better move it in case I blow the whole of the paint all over the previous one I've poured. I don't want that. Oh my goodness, my things are stuck on the bottom. Okay. All good to go now. Hope you guys are going well. Hope you're finding something that gives you joy and entertainment, whether it's creating yourself, out for exercise and walking, or just simply watching movies or watching YouTube videos. So you have to do things that give you joy just to make you feel good, I believe. So I'm just going to go over with my little heat wand, get rid of any air bubbles. I'm thinking because that paint is so thin it might crack, but sometimes the cracking looks good. You know, it helps, you know, just give a different effect. What's a bit of cracking in a painting, hey? Nothing. Okay, let's do this thing and just blow it out with this big horrible hairdryer that I do not like. I keep whinging about it and not doing anything about it. Okay. Okie dokie, that was a big blowout. So just sort of fixing up my edges, which you can do at any time really. It doesn't have to be done right now, but I'll let this settle for a minute I quite like that. I might just give a little bit of my straw blow out to soften the edges. Wowzers trousers. I'm going to leave this to sink into the canvas a little bit. I might just do a little bit of balloon magic. It's what I love to do, and I'm going to do it. Gonna do it. Do what gives you joy, remember? Do what gives you joy, not what other people think you should be doing. So, just let me try it in case it's ready to go. Or it might just be falling in. Only going to do it in this corner, I promise. Just want the corner. Not like a traditional balloon effect, but it's just going to put a bit of a different perspective in there, a bit of different shape. It's a little bit wet because the paint is just falling in. So sometimes that can still give a nice effect that doesn't actually look like a balloon has hit it. But I can see the shimmering from that bronze that was in there. Okay, I like it. I'm going to leave it, guys. I've ballooned it, so I feel good because that's my spin on it. I like this red at the back with the colours blown through, and this is like a sort of arch of that real deep purple, and it looks good. I like it. So I hope you like it too. It was just a quick and easy blowout and a few balloon kisses, which the bronze in it has come through the kisses, which you probably wouldn't have seen that otherwise. But I like it. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Have a look at the photos on at the end, and while I fix up my edges, and yeah, let me know what you think. It is a beauty and I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hopefully will add a few photos of these gorgeous baby puppies that I've got left, and I'll add some photos of the little girl that left today. She was all washed and smelt gorgeous and blow dried, and she was just puffed up like a powder puff. She was beautiful, and they have called her Cozzy. So that is a lovely name for her. It suited her so much. So wait for the close-ups and let me know what you think. So much from thank you so much for coming on this art journey with me, and I really appreciate you all very, very much. Bye for now.